11 Reasons your vagina stinks. 1. You have a bacterial infection. Bacterial vaginosis is the most common vaginal infection in people ages 15 to 44, and it happens when there is too much of certain bacteria in your vagina. This throws off the pH of your vagina. 2. You recently had sex without a condom. Semen has an elevated pH and that can cause an odor to form. Typically, the smell will clear up on its own within a day or so or after you shower, but if it persists, call your doctor. 3. You have your period. Blood has an elevated pH, and that can throw your vaginal flora off a little during your period. Usually it's not a huge change in scent, and it goes away once your period wraps up. 4. You have a yeast issue. You probably associate yeast infections with a certain discharge, but they can also cause a particular odor to develop. 5. You have trichomoniasis. A stinky smell down there could signal an STI called trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is caused by a tiny parasite that moves between people during sex, and it's actually pretty common. In addition to a foul-smelling vaginal discharge, it can make your genitals itch and cause painful peeing, though many people experience no symptoms. 6. You accidentally left one in there. It happens, and probably more often than you'd think. Some people may put in a just-in-case tampon toward the end of their period and forget about it, don't remember that they already have one in before putting in a new one, or forget and have sex with one in and it gets pushed sideways into the back of cervix. Most gynecologists have had the experience of a woman coming in with an odor, only to realize it was a forgotten tampon. 7. Douching. Douching removes healthy bacteria that the vagina needs to keep balanced and can actually make the problem worse in the long run. In addition, douching can promote overgrowth of harmful bacteria, which can lead to yeast infections or BV. 8. Poor hygiene. Not bathing or showering regularly can lead to inflammation of the vaginal area, which can cause vaginal odor. 9. Sweating. The skin in the groin area is prone to sweating, which can cause vaginal odor. 10. Diet. What you eat and drink influences the smell of urine, and there's some evidence that what you eat can affect your vaginal odor. If your vagina smells off, foods with strong odor, such as garlic, could be the cause. 11. Pregnancy. Pregnant women are at a higher risk of having changes in vaginal smell due to hormonal changes and increased vaginal secretion.